What's up guys, it's Nico aka Neeks back with a brand new video, and in today's video I'm in the kitchen because I'm going to be making my avocado matcha smoothie as seen on Poosh. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you will see that I was actually featured on Kourtney Kardashian's lifestyle website Poosh. In the article, I talk about how I merged two of Kourtney's favorite things, her avocado smoothie and matcha green tea, into one. I also talk about how Poosh has really changed me as a person. Whether it's mental health, physical health, or healthy eating, I've been able to incorporate Poosh into my everyday life. So before I make the smoothie, make sure to check out my article on Poosh, I'll link it below, and check out my Instagram at Neeks. So to read my exact recipe on Poosh, it is 1 organic avocado, pitted and peeled, 1 cup organic plant-based milk. I love unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Sadly, right now I do not have vanilla, which is so unfortunate, but regular will do. 1 scoop of matcha powder, 2 tablespoons of organic chia seeds, and 2 teaspoons of organic honey, locally farmed if possible. So before I make the actual smoothie, I wrote down a list of some benefits of each product in the smoothie. So starting off with my holy grail matcha, some of the benefits are it's anti-aging and it helps with clear skin. It reduces your blood sugar, blood pressure, it boosts your metabolism, which will help you lose weight, and it boosts your energy and your mood. So some benefits of avocado are it's loaded with fiber, it aids in weight loss, and it can actually help prevent cancer. Chia seeds, like the other two, also aid in weight loss, are loaded with fiber, and have millions of antioxidants in them. So for honey, it lowers your cholesterol levels, it's anti-inflammatory, and it can cure a common cold. So let's start. So I did say the ingredient list 1 avocado, but because these are really small, I'm just gonna use 2. I always get so much satisfaction when I cut an avocado perfectly. Like, look at this. So I used to make this smoothie actually as a pudding because I saw Kourtney Kardashian and Addison Rae make the avocado pudding about 7 or 8 months ago. So I've been literally having avocado every single morning for around 7 months, but I transitioned from the avocado pudding to the smoothie about 3 months ago. I just find the smoothie is a lot easier to, I guess, drink, obviously. And yeah, so what I'm doing is literally just plopping the avocado into the blender. Okay, now that the avocado is in the blender, now it's time for our almond milk. Like I said, you could literally use any kind of milk, cashew, almond, coconut, I'm sure anything would taste great. Making sure it's unsweetened is important though, because you don't want all that excess sugar for no reason. My recipe calls for 1 cup of almond milk, and because I've been doing this for like 8 months, I'm super good at just eyeballing it, so I just go in with a big swig of the almond milk. And yeah. Okay, the almond milk is done, and now it's time for the matcha. So when I tell you matcha has changed my life, it has literally changed my life. I've had matcha either in my smoothie or on its own every single morning for probably the last year. Matcha is a great antioxidant. It's super healthy. It's great for nice glowing skin. It can boost your mood, and all around is an essential in any sort of morning routine. So I have this little spoon right here. I would say this is probably half a teaspoon. I just go in with 1 scoop. As you can see, it's not too much. I just throw that in the smoothie to give it that nice, good flavor and that health. Next are the organic chia seeds. This definitely is an essential for this smoothie because chia seeds are so high in fiber and they're so healthy for you. So I'm just doing 2 tablespoons. And yeah. Next is the organic honey, and honey probably is the base of this avocado smoothie because it will not blend properly without the honey. So I'm just going to squirt a little bit. Yeah, so literally a 5 ingredient list for a super healthy and super filling breakfast. And there we have it. This is my avocado matcha smoothie, an essential in my breakfast routine. And after getting into skincare, I've really realized that it's not only about what you put on top of your skin, but also what you put in your body. Thanks everyone so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya!